So bike update, as you guys maybe seen on the other video, I built the trailer for my bike. It was last year, sitting right over there, from one of these kid carriers. And I wanted a crate on here. I didn't want to haul the trailer everywhere. So I found this collapsible one, zip tied it on. It's pretty easy to set up, as you can see. So I ride this bike every day to work, and I like to take my lunch kit, and I had nowhere to put it. I didn't want to strap it on me every time. So yeah, let me know what you think, if I need to add anything, or if you have any ideas. I do want to get a rear light because it might get darker. I go to work at like 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. And let me know what you guys think. It fits in there pretty good. Just use zip ties. Pretty sturdy. I don't know if I can collapse it one-handed. There you go. Yeah, not too bad.